The growing and utilization of bamboo is steadily gaining ground, with many people now investing in bamboo products. The exploitation of bamboo is being prompted by the National Forestry Authority with support from the Dutch Sino-East African Bamboo Development Program. These are the details.
Meet Samuel Asimwe, the brain behind Josa Green Technologies, located in Nasana, Wakiso district, focusing on environmental and energy solutions. Asimwe is one of the entrepreneurs utilizing bamboo charcoal to make briquettes, one of the clean sources of energy for cooking. He produces different shapes of briquettes depending on the demand of his customers.
We sell our briquettes to restaurants, we sell briquettes to schools. So far, Josa is working with 12 schools that are exclusively using briquettes. Though there is specifically honeycomb type, but the households prefer the stick type and the pillow shape briquettes, because the honeycomb type burns for a very long time, so they see it as wasteful, but this burns for a minimum of at least 2 hours, so which is good enough for a household to cook.
Currently, National Forestry Authority, with support from the Dutch Sino-East African Bamboo Development Program, is promoting bamboo as an alternative source of wood. Asimwe has therefore been supported with machines to meet the quantity for briquette production, but also the quality.
50 and 25. Though the community around here in Wamala where we are, they just come. So those ones we just weigh and then sell, because it's a privilege to the community. Those ones we cannot limit that we sell this quantity.
Asimwe has also invested in making energy-saving stoves in different shapes for different briquettes. Government is promoting the growing and utilization of bamboo because it takes short time to mature and therefore is an alternative source of wood-demanded products and can reduce pressure on other trees. Adiana Kuti and Robert Katamba, UBC.